Hey scam spotters! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we protect your wallet and peace of mind. Today, we're reviewing Palermo Perfumes, a brand that's getting buzz for offering luxury-style scents at a fraction of the price. But the big question is it worth it, or is it just slick marketing? Let's break it down. Palermo Perfumes claims to sell premium fragrances inspired by luxury brands, but without the designer price tag. Sounds amazing, right? But are you actually getting value or vapor? The site lists perfumes inspired by high-end names like Dior, Creed, Chanel, with bottle designs that are sleek and minimal. Prices? Around $40 to $60 for a full-size bottle. That's way cheaper than the originals. Almost too cheap. Let's check the fine print. Do they list ingredients? Source their oils? Offer scent notes? Some yes, some no. There's very little transparency on where these perfumes are made. That's concerning for a fragrance going directly on your skin. Palermo's website shows glowing reviews, but we noticed something odd. Many reviews are generic, posted without user photos or timestamps. And on sites like Trustpilot or Reddit, mixed reactions. Some say it smells great. Others say it fades in 30 minutes. They do have a return policy, but with restrictions. And there's no live customer support or phone number, just a contact form. For a company selling personal products, that's a red flag. So, is Palermo Perfumes worth it? If you're on a budget and don't mind scent dupes that may not last all day, maybe. But if you're expecting premium quality, lasting power, and transparency, you might be better off saving for the real deal. Always test with a sample if available. Check third-party reviews, not just what's on the brand's site. And remember, in the fragrance world, you often get what you pay for. Thanks for watching Online Scam Advisor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and scam warnings. Smell great, but shop smart. Thank you.